The future of carburetors and fuel delivery systems in the automotive and small engine industries is expected to be shaped by several significant trends and technological advancements. While traditional carburetors have been largely replaced by electronic fuel injection systems in most modern vehicles, there are still some areas where carburetors may find niche applications. Here's a glimpse into what the future might hold for carburetors and fuel delivery. Continued decline in carburetor use. Carburetors have largely been phased out in favor of more efficient and precise electronic fuel injection systems in automobiles. This trend is likely to continue, especially in passenger cars and other mainstream vehicles. Electronic fuel injection systems offer better fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and improved overall engine performance. Small engines and niche applications. Carburetors may continue to be used in smaller engines and specific niche applications where cost, simplicity, and lightweight design are priorities. These applications include lawnmowers, chainsaws, small motorcycles, and some off-road vehicles. Carburetors can still offer benefits in terms of affordability and ease of maintenance for such applications. Hybrid and electric vehicles. The rise of electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles is changing the landscape of fuel delivery. While traditional fuel systems have no role in fully electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles may still incorporate fuel delivery systems for internal combustion engines. These systems may evolve to become more efficient and integrated with electric propulsion components. Advanced fuel injection technologies. For internal combustion engines, electronic fuel injection systems will continue to evolve, becoming more advanced and integrated with other vehicle systems. Expect improvements in precision, real-time data processing, and adaptability to varying driving conditions. Direct fuel injection, DFI, and other advanced injection technologies will become more prevalent for optimizing fuel atomization and combustion. Alternative fuels. As the automotive industry explores alternative fuels like hydrogen, natural gas, and biofuels, fuel delivery systems will adapt to accommodate these options. Electronic fuel injection systems can be modified to work with different fuel types, providing flexibility for future energy sources. Increased connectivity. Fuel delivery systems may become more connected and integrated into vehicle networks. This connectivity can enable real-time monitoring, remote diagnostics, and over-the-air updates for optimizing engine performance and emissions control. Environmental regulations. Stricter emissions regulations will continue to drive the development of more efficient fuel delivery systems. This includes the integration of advanced emission control technologies, such as selective catalytic reduction systems and exhaust gas recirculation systems, with fuel delivery systems to reduce harmful emissions. In summary, the future of carburetors and fuel delivery will largely be determined by the specific needs and technologies of various industries and applications. While carburetors have become obsolete in many mainstream automotive applications, they may still have a place in smaller engines and niche markets. Fuel delivery systems, primarily electronic fuel injection, will continue to evolve to meet the demands of efficiency, emissions control, and alternative fuels in the transportation industry. Thank you for watching this video, and keep an eye on my channel for more regular information on engines and other technologies.